there is a first generation bag, it seems, and a second generation bag from Mr. Heater. I ended up getting the one that's a little bit more expensive, has a lot better reviews. I got my little buddy heater over there. I'm not going to use it too much, it's more going to be a travel, so I wanted a bag to keep it all fresh looking and kind of keep all my winter stuff all in one spot. Basically it's going in my truck and I travel a lot, so if I get broke down or something, I'll have a little heater to keep me warm. So this is how it came from Amazon. I think I paid about 31 bucks. Not on sale or anything good. I do have the hose I'm going to try to put in there. I got 2 tanks over here. Is that even in English? Right. I hate when they do that. English at the top and then they kind of just merge it into one, like that right there. But who reads the box when you buy it online? I feel like this is already been opened. No, that's just how they secure it. So the other one says it's a bag material, like a bag you'd take to Walmart or a grocery store. We're hoping that this one's a little bit thicker, a little bit more robust. It feels like a canvas you'd have for tent camping. And that thing's huge. That'll definitely fit the big buddy. We got the pockets on this side. They feel pretty good. They don't feel like I could stick my finger through them. Nice and deep. Looks like it has a shoulder strap. What if it comes with that? Yeah, that'll definitely hold the big buddy. I got the big buddy, but it's hidden right now, so I'm not going to test it out. Nice pockets with little things on the side so they don't go all the way down on you. Sorry, this review's a bit wild. I didn't think it was going to be this big. And the inside with shoulder strap from Mr. Heater. Does have a little bit of padding in there. Wouldn't want to carry it all day with that padding. Definitely going to be a shoulder strap. It's got plenty of length. That's pretty springy. I like that. Adjustable with nice clip. Not even plastic. That's nice. You don't have to worry about it dropping. And that's it. Let's open it up. This may hold my tank plus. Okay, the interior, this material feels like if it got dry rotted, it would start cracking. I don't know if you guys know what type of material that is, but it feels like the stuff that looks great, feels great, but a year later it's junk. The more you bend it, it's gonna get creases. So of course this thing's gonna hold the little one. You guys can't quite see this. Oh, it's got a zipper on the back. Zipper on the back. Opens up to nothing. You always hope opening something you find money. And it fits right in there. Plenty of room on the side. I wish. That's a lot of room. A lot of room to play around. So I do have a 5-pound tank, which would be nice if I could fit in there with it. Kind of looks like it's built for the big buddy, but I'm gonna be able to put a blanket in there or something, just like a survival bag. And here on the side, we can put these in. It holds them well. Yeah, I'd say that's pretty good. It's not quite dragging it down or nothing. These are full. Got all dirty from it. Yeah. And then when you're done, it's got a double zipper. This is probably the worst video I've ever done. Normally I have the tripod all ready for this, and this time I did not. Then we have a little Velcro patch that goes like that. And there we have it. It doesn't have any loops. It'd be nice if it had loops right there instead of relying on the shoulder strap, which you have to use because you can't pull it from any other way.